Hello and thank you for watching this video. What you're about to see is the sights and sounds of the steam gutter day whilst I was at Epping Ongar Railway. First you're about to see leave Northfield Station is 6969 Whitewick Hall, the train that's going to be used in the forthcoming Harry Potter series. Now here comes 696 reversing into Northfield Station. Now here is 4144, the GWR Large Prairie, ready to depart Northfield Station, heading towards Ongar. Now here comes 4953 Pitchford Hall, reversing into Northfield Station, ready to couple up with some coaches.
Yeah.
Now here is the Whitewick Hall train, or as we call it, the Harry Potter train from now on, ready to depart Northwood Station, ready to head up into Epping Forest. And top and tailing, here comes Pitchford Hall at the back. Now coming back into Northwood Station, here comes the two Hall class trains. Now here is 4144 ready to depart, heading towards Ongar Station. If you've never been to the Epping Ongar Railway before, it used to be part of the Central Line when it used to run from Epping up to Ongar for Northfield, and it used to have the old Blake Hall and then up to Ongar before it was stopped in 1996. It's worth a visit because they have great days, and you can get there from Epping Station and I think Shenfield Station via the old vintage London Route Master buses. Now, if you wanted to, you could pay £10 and ride it in the brake van. All the money goes to the Epping Ongar Railway to restore other stuff. And this was done with King George 2409. Now here is Whitewick Hall, ready to depart Northfield Station, heading towards Epping Forest, and at the back is the Pitchford Hall. Right, let's get this over and done with. It's time to do the call to action. If you got this far, please hit the like button. Leave a comment in the box below what you thought of it. If you hadn't done so already, please subscribe. Right, back to the video. Here comes 4144. After her journey from Ongar Station, she's just coming into Northfield Station. Now here comes the two Hall class trains coming in from their journey from Epping Forest back into Northfield Station. Now here comes King George pulling the brake van, ready to go back into Epping Forest, and people have paid to go for their little ride. Now here comes King George coming back from their journey into Epping Forest. Now 4144 is going into Epping Forest. And on the back it is Whitewick Hall, or as it's known, it's going to be known as affectionately as the Harry Potter train. Now they're both coming back from Epping Forest, and you're about to see the changeover of the discs. Okay, so I missed filming that bit. Sorry. Now here comes Pitchford Hall coming back from Ongar Station. So if you got this far, why not hit that like button so it pushes this video out into the big wide world and more people can enjoy it. Leave a comment in the box below what you thought of it, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any more of my videos. And talking of my videos, here's a couple YouTube have gone and watch these next, you will enjoy it. So thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, please mind the gap between the train and the platform.